These are suspension chest presses or suspension push-ups if you want to term it that way. What we do is we have the suspension point set up real high as we can put it up there. And then we're going to essentially lay ourselves down into this chest press, keeping our head back and shoulders back and down through the push-up here. Like any other push-up form, we're not going to press our shoulders through and round out our back there. We're actually going to let our shoulder blades stick out a little bit behind our back there, even when we're at the top here and elbows are nearly straight, okay? So you bend the elbows, lower down, let the wrists follow the elbow. Don't keep it too close in. Wrists go out and follow the elbow, staying right in front of the elbow. Push up and through to nearly elbow straight, and then lower back down, shoulders staying back and down there. You will find it easier the further you walk away from that point, and you'll be up a little bit taller. You will find it harder if you walk backward toward that suspension point, lowering down and up. Find a spot that is going to be challenging for you while still being able to maintain your form, which also includes keeping your abs drawn a little bit. You don't want those hips to sag down. We're in a push-up here, so detail your push-up. Hips are drawn in, spine is straight and level, shoulders are back and down, and head is back. Don't let that head protrude forward. This is a very common imbalance in push-ups. We're going to keep our head held back, almost like you're trying to make a double chin, like squeeze that chin back as you lower down to keep your head in line with your spine throughout the push-up there. Take your time, find a good point, feeling a good challenge, maintaining that good form.